Imagine this. Your alarm clock goes off, but you don't reach to hit snooze. Instead, you wake up with a sense of calm and purpose, knowing that your day is entirely yours to shape. No rush, no stress, just the gentle unfolding of a day filled with possibilities. You have nowhere you need to be. The morning is yours to savor, whether it's stretching luxuriously in bed, sipping coffee while watching the sunrise, or practicing yoga to center yourself for the day ahead. You have the freedom to choose how you start your day. No job to rush to, no deadlines looming over your head. Instead, you might decide to take a leisurely walk in the park, enjoy a relaxed breakfast at home, or simply bask in the quiet moments that were once a luxury. No boss to answer to. You're free to explore the world around you, whether it's hiking a scenic trail, sailing on a calm lake, or meditating on a hilltop as the sun rises. This is the essence of true freedom. This is the enticing promise of the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. It's about taking control of your financial future so that work becomes optional, not an obligation. Imagine having the financial security to make choices based on your passions and interests rather than necessity. It is a life where work becomes optional, not an obligation. You can spend your days painting in an art studio, gardening in your backyard, or writing in a cozy cafe. The possibilities are endless when you are not bound by the constraints of a traditional job, where you have the freedom to pursue passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy the luxury of time. Imagine backpacking through picturesque landscapes, capturing memories at famous landmarks, or enjoying a sunny picnic with your family. The world is your playground. But FIRE is not just about early retirement. It's about achieving financial independence, which means having enough money to cover your living expenses indefinitely without relying on a traditional job. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to live life on your own terms. It's about achieving financial independence, which means having enough money to cover your living expenses indefinitely without relying on a traditional job. Imagine celebrating the moment you pay off your mortgage, or the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a secure financial future. This is the dawn of freedom. The FIRE movement has roots in the 1990s, gaining traction with books like Your Money or Your Life. It promotes a simple yet powerful philosophy: save aggressively, invest wisely, and retire early. The movement emphasizes minimizing unnecessary expenses, maximizing savings, and investing in assets that generate passive income. FIRE enthusiasts prioritize experiences and financial freedom over material possessions and keeping up with the Joneses. The FIRE community is vast and diverse, with online forums, blogs, and podcasts dedicated to sharing knowledge and supporting each other on their journeys to financial independence. At the heart of the FIRE movement lies the FIRE number. This number is essentially the cornerstone of your financial independence journey. It represents the amount of money you need to have invested to cover your living expenses indefinitely, allowing you to retire early and live life on your own terms. This is the magic figure representing the amount of money you need to have invested to cover your living expenses indefinitely. The concept is simple, yet powerful. Once you reach this number, your investments should generate enough income to sustain your lifestyle without the need for traditional employment. To calculate your FIRE number, multiply your estimated annual expenses by 25. This calculation is based on the assumption that you can safely withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year. This method provides a buffer against market fluctuations and ensures that your nest egg lasts throughout your retirement. This is based on the 4% rule, a widely used guideline suggesting you can safely withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year without running out of money in retirement. The rule is derived from historical market data and is designed to provide a sustainable income stream over a long period. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, your FIRE number would be $1 million. This means that with $1 million portfolio, you could withdraw $40,000 each year to cover your expenses, theoretically forever. Once you reach this amount, you've achieved financial independence. This milestone is not just about the money. It's about the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Whether you want to travel the world, pursue a passion project, or simply enjoy more time with family and friends, reaching your FIRE number opens up a world of possibilities. The FIRE movement is not one size fits all. There are various flavors of FIRE, each catering to different lifestyles and financial goals. Lean FIRE. This approach emphasizes extreme frugality and minimalist living to achieve financial independence as quickly as possible. Fat FIRE. This path aims for a more luxurious retirement lifestyle, requiring a higher FIRE number, Barista FIRE. This strategy involves working part-time or taking on freelance gigs after reaching financial independence to supplement income and pursue passions. The key is to choose the FIRE path that aligns with your values, priorities, and desired lifestyle. Section 5. Charting your FIRE journey. Achieving FIRE or financial independence, retire early, requires a systematic approach and a commitment to financial discipline. It's not just about saving money. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your long-term goals. Here's a step-by-step plan to guide you. First, track your expenses. This is the foundation of your financial journey. Understand where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. This might mean cutting out unnecessary subscriptions, dining out less, or finding more affordable alternatives for your daily needs. Next, increase your savings rate. This is crucial because the more you save, the more you can invest, and the faster you can reach your financial goals. Aim to save at least 50% of your income. This might seem daunting at first, but with careful planning and discipline, it's achievable. The more you save, the faster you'll reach FIRE. Then, invest wisely. Investing is where your money starts to work for you. Invest in a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, prioritizing long-term growth. This strategy minimizes risk while maximizing potential returns. Also, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to make saving effortless. Automation ensures that you consistently save and invest without having to think about it. Finally, live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather making conscious choices about your spending. Embrace a frugal lifestyle without sacrificing happiness. Find joy in simple pleasures like reading a book, cooking at home, or spending time with loved ones. Focus on experiences over material possessions. Experiences create lasting memories and often bring more fulfillment than material goods. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial independence. Remember, the journey to FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay disciplined, and enjoy the process. Section 6. Navigating FIRE challenges. The journey to FIRE is not without its hurdles. Here are some common challenges and ways to overcome them. Lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to increase your spending as your income grows. Stick to your budget and savings goals. Market volatility. Don't panic during market downturns. Remember that investing is a long-term game. Unexpected expenses. Build an emergency fund to cover unforeseen events without derailing your progress. By anticipating and addressing these challenges, you can stay on track towards your FIRE goals. Section 7. The allure of financial independence. Reaching financial independence is life-changing. It offers numerous benefits, including freedom and flexibility. Work becomes optional, allowing you to pursue passions, travel, or spend time with loved ones. Reduced stress. Financial security provides peace of mind and reduces stress related to money. Increased options. You have more choices and control over your life, allowing you to design your ideal lifestyle. Financial independence empowers you to live life on your own terms. Section 8. Embracing the path to FIRE. The FIRE movement is not about deprivation or sacrificing enjoyment. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and long-term goals. It's about finding joy in experiences rather than material possessions. It's about prioritizing financial security and freedom. The FIRE movement is a journey of self-discovery, financial empowerment, and designing a life you love. Section 9. Your FIRE journey begins now. Take the first step today. Calculate your FIRE number. Explore the different FIRE paths. Create a plan and start taking action. The journey to financial independence and early retirement starts with a single step. Embrace the FIRE movement and unlock the secret to a life of freedom and fulfillment. Your future self will thank you.